Inspired by DecoRug.
Magnolia Drive is a beautiful, super soft carpet made right here in Australia by Godfrey Hirst. So you can rest assured that when you choose to carpet your home with Magnolia Drive, its quality is guaranteed and fully backed by one of Australia's leading manufacturers. This is a very high density carpet, making it a great choice for high traffic areas, as well as staircases, and it's rated as residential extra heavy duty. Made from soft touch solution dyed nylon, the pile is what's known as cut pile twist, so you get this wonderful effect that not only looks and feels luxurious, it's also very practical and ideal for busy households. Here's what else you might like about Magnolia Drive. There are 10 fashionable colours to choose from, ranging from greys and silver to beige and neutrals, so you're sure to find a colour that's just right for you. The carpet comes with a 15-year triple guarantee, which covers wear, fade and stain resistance. It's been treated to be anti-static and comes with a lifetime insect deterrent guarantee as well. Being a solution dyed nylon yarn also means that the carpet is completely colour fast and easy with cleaning and maintenance. But just to be sure, every carpet has been treated with stain block for that added peace of mind. Magnolia Drive by Godfrey Hirst is available now at your preferred DecoRug retail store, or click on the tab if you'd like to know more or to arrange a measure and quote. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy shopping with us at DecoRug, and bye for now.